Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we will continue with the problems on students recommendation. One of the students has asked me to solve GATE XE 2017 question 20 and 28. Let us do that. The question number 20 goes like this. In a two-dimensional potential flow, a point source is located at the origin x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 as shown in the figure. The strength of the point source is 2 centimeters square per second. A uniform flow with velocity 1 centimeter per second is approaching towards the point source at an angle of 30 degrees from the horizontal axis. What is the distance in centimeter of the stagnation point in the flow field from the point source? Now let us do that. Now first of all, let us understand what is stagnation point. Stagnation point is the point where velocity goes to 0. That's it. Now from here it is going as 1 centimeter per second. Now wherever from here the velocity it is going, when it reaches 1 centimeter per second, that distance is the stagnation zone, right? So if I say velocity in radial velocity in the case of point source, this can be written as lambda by 2 pi into 1 by r. Now here this can be taken as the strength of the source. Sometimes you may also take this as k by r. This can be taken as the strength of the source. But still, since pi is given everywhere, it is better we take this particular formula. So this is equal to lambda, and lambda is given as 2 centimeter square per second. If you understand, this is similar to kinematic viscosity formula, right? So this has to be understood. Okay, so kinematic viscosity also meter square per second, you observe. Okay, so this is 2 divided by 2 pi, okay, and 1 by r. The r, when the velocity is 1 centimeter per second, because when this is 1 centimeter per second and the velocity from this side comes as 1 centimeter per second, that would be the stagnation zone. So solving this, r will be as 1 by pi. So it's a very simple question. So I hope you have understood this, students. Most of the questions, almost 50% of the questions in GATE will be simple one. Okay, so you have to attempt those things. Okay, next one, this one. This is also looks difficult, but it is simpler than what it is. This is question number 28. The volumetric flow rate Q of a triangular notch is a function of the upstream liquid surface elevation h measured from the bottom of the notch, acceleration due to gravity g, notch angle phi, and the approach velocity v. Which of the following is the correct expression for Q? Here we have to put the Rayleigh's method, okay, which is like this. Now we have Q is equal to sum h raised to a into v by root h raised to b, I will say, and then I can say phi into root g raised to c. Now the only thing we have to find out is what is our a, b and c. How do we do that? Put the dimensional formula. You can say this is L cube t raised to minus 1. This is the dimension formula for this, correct? This is q. I'll write it below here. Okay, so here if I do the dimensional formula, q can be written as L cube t raised to minus 1, h is L raised to a, and then we have another one inside the bracket. I'll say v is Lt raised to minus 1, and then root h, 1 by root h. This can be written as L raised to minus 1 by 2 raised to b, and then phi. Phi doesn't have any angle, doesn't have any units. Okay, no dimensions for that, because it is a ratio of radius to the circumference or circumference to the radius, so no dimensions. Okay, now root of g is Lt raised to minus 2 raised to c. Now when we do the simplification, we get the equation like this. First equation, equating the powers of L, we get 3 is equal to a plus b by 2, okay, a plus b by 2 plus c by 2, okay. Equating the powers of t, we get minus 1 is equal to minus b minus c, okay. From this we get b plus c is equal to 1. Let us substitute that over here, which goes as 6 is equal to 2a plus b plus c, which gives 2a plus 1 because b plus c is 1, and we get a is equal to 6 minus 1 divided by 2, 5 by 2. So the a is what is asked here. We are not asked what is b and c. So a is 5 by 2 is the answer to this answer. So difficult looking, easy problem. Okay. Thank you very much, students. And if you have any further doubts, put it on the comments, as well as my WhatsApp number is given in the Facebook page, whose description is given in the below comments, below description. So you can go there and contact me directly, and whoever recommends me, I will make that video there also. I will mention your name, but I will not mention your number for sure. Okay, so on the video I'll mention your name. Okay, thank you very much, students.